Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are all doing very well. So as you can tell by the title, today's video we are going to chat about your favourite beauty gurus. And not only are we going to chat about your favourite beauty gurus, all the products I'm going to use are basically going to be collaborations from your beauty gurus. The beauty community is always forever growing. It has definitely changed a lot since I have been on here. Good and for the bad, both ways. I don't know, anytime you speak of change, people are not too fond of you saying that, but it's changed a lot. Yeah, I'm just going to talk you through the makeup products and give my thoughts on them. I've used about 90% of the items I'm going to show you in the tutorial. So first things first, I'm going to prime my face. If I use a product and it's not by any makeup guru, then I'm just not going to show it on screen. And to be honest, this brand that I'm using, or this primer, is not a brand that a lot of people are fond of. They did have a scandal, I believe, early this year. So yeah, I'm just not going to promote it, to be honest, because I'm trying to get dragged. What do you guys feel about the cancelling culture? Do you feel it's right to cancel people for the mistakes that they've made? I've been thinking about this recently, and I just want to know you guys' thoughts. I'm in two minds about it, in all honesty. A part of me feels like, who am I to ever cancel people? But I do feel you need to hold people accountable for their actions, whether it be in the past or present. If someone does something wrong, it should definitely be brought to the forefront, and they should definitely show some change towards it. But at the same time, I feel like I'm not God, who am I to cancel anyone? I'm definitely someone that after a while, if I feel like I can see some sort of change with a person, I'm more prone to forgiving them. But am I wrong for doing that? I don't know. So let's finish off the brows. So for eyes, I'm going to put a lighter concealer onto my lids. That's the first thing I'm going to start off with. Girl, in this new age of YouTube, drama is definitely a seller. If you're involved in a lot of drama, it seems like you'll be going places. You're forever trending. But do you know what? I must say, although I'm not surprised, but it's very sad to see people getting pulled up on past tweets. Well, I can say, woo child, most of your faves are racist or problematic or have done some wild stuff. And you know what, we've all done wild things in the past, and I'm not exempt from that. But wow, some people are definitely wild, and I feel like some people are still going to be wild, which is true. Some people are not going to change. Some people are just going to change for the check, and yeah, we'll just never know, to be honest. So I'm currently setting my eyes with a translucent powder. I just put that onto the lid. This helps my eyeshadows to blend smoothly onto my lids. So starting off with the brushes, I have a mixture of brushes, to be honest. If you see any that are turquoise like this, these are basically by Ambrose, and Ambrose is a brand by Chanel. She's actually a friend of mine. I knew her before YouTube. I met Chanel when I was about 17, 18. At the time I did Miss West Africa. I didn't win, but I was second, and basically Chanel was a makeup artist I met during that time period. And yes, she was a makeup artist from way back when. But anyways, the turquoise ones are by Chanel. If you see me using these purple ones in this tutorial, these ones are by Beauty by JJ, also known as Jennie Jenkins here on YouTube. She's also someone that is a friend of mine that I've actually met through YouTube, and you normally see us together on Snapchat and Insta stories. But yeah, so make sure you guys go and support them. I'll leave links below. If all the other brushes that I will be using are not collabs from any other beauty influencer, but I just need to put that out there so that when I'm using them, you know. So for the eyes, I'm basically going to be using this palette today, and this is the Tropical Paradise palette, and this is basically a collaboration between Tammi and Makeup Revolution. I just want to say well done to Tammi. I'm so proud of her. It's very rare that we've seen black beauty gurus collaborating with brands here in the UK. This is something that no one really speaks about, but I'm going to say it. It's definitely a thing, but that's a different story for a different day. But I want to say well done to Tammi. I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway on this palette because I bought this palette as soon as I saw the collaboration, but Tammi had actually sent me one of the posts. This is the brand new one that I'll be giving to one of you lucky subscribers. So the first colour I'm going to take in this palette is this orange over here. Yeah, I've been using this palette ever since, and I love the range of colours in it. It's so nice. First time I met Tammi in person, I believe, was at BeautyCon 2 years ago. Prior to that, I had seen her work on Instagram. I had followed her. I loved her work, and she was just a nice person to be around. So the next color that I'm going to use after using that orange is this pink color over here. I'm using that same blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that color into my crease. I find it so hard to speak and do my makeup. So taking another brush, I'm basically going to take this purple and I'm going to put that in my crease. I've got a lot of goals that I want to achieve right now. I'm not going to stop YouTube. I'm just putting YouTube on the back burner, if that makes sense. But yeah, I enjoy making content. I don't enjoy editing, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that's the longest part. I'm not one of those gurus that are lucky enough to have enough funds to get someone to edit all my videos. Once I do, or if I do ever get into that much income, then I will definitely upload more. But it definitely takes a lot of time, and whilst you are doing everything by yourself. So I want to know, did you guys go on any holidays this summer? Where did you go? What did you do? So next, I'm just going to take some concealer and put that on my lid. This is just basically going to help the shadows to stick. I love using concealer. But yeah, who are you guys loving on YouTube right now? Currently, I am so into anything to do with crime related things. I do enjoy watching try on hauls, makeup tutorials, and like facts videos. I love like world facts. Like I love videos to do conspiracy theories. I've been watching a lot of that. But anyways, the next color which I'm going to use is this color right here. And I actually like to use my finger to apply all shimmery colors. So I'm just going to use my finger, as you can see, to apply this. Look at how pigmented this is. I just hope you guys can see me. Ooh, such a beautiful color. So next I'm going to use this color right here and apply that into the crease area as well, just to darken up a bit. Honestly, I'm one of those people, I hate how long a beat face takes, but I really do like the look of a beat face. So for the brow bone color, I'm going to use this color right here. I'm just going to apply that. Do people still use brow colors? I often don't see a lot of people using them, but I'm definitely that person that still loves a brow color to pop. So that's what we're doing. For foundation, we've got another beauty guru I'm going to mention, and it is Aina. So another person that I'm so super proud of. I've been watching Aina from way back when she was Little Pumpkin Pie. Is it 05? Way back when. It's very inspiring to see her growth and see how far she's gone, and continues to inspire a lot of people in the community. Aina collaborated with Too Faced Cosmetics to basically expand their shade range in the Born This Way foundation. Now I'm not gonna lie, when it comes to Too Faced, I don't have many products. I do have 2 of their chocolate palettes, which I got back in the day. But this is gonna be my first Too Faced face products that I am trying. When Aina launched this, or when it was out in stores, I was going to Jamaica. So when it came out, got up early in the morning, I went to buy the foundations. I knew I couldn't film before I left, so I thought when I come back I'll film. But when I came back, I had a serious tan from Miami and Jamaica. It just didn't make sense for me to, you know, do a review. I just wanted to, you know, let my tan fade off a little bit, and then I'll probably do another video just for this foundation. So I personally feel like I'm a shade darker than Jackie. So when she mentioned her foundation shade, the shade down was Mahogany, which they already had, and to me that color personally looks too orange, so I wasn't trying to get that. So I thought, let me go with the shade down with that, which was Spice Rum. However, when Jackie mentioned the comparisons with the shade ranges, if I remember correctly, this was marked as an NW, was it 55? It was too late. I already bought this foundation, so I was like, you know what, let me just stick with it. And even though it's going to be darker than me, I'll just highlight a lot like I do with my Fenty, because 440 is a tad bit dark for me, but I just highlight a lot to brighten it up so that overall it looks okay. For me, the color is not off, it's just not my shade. So I just wish there was another color in between Spice Rum and Jackie's shade, but we're going to work with it. We're going to use it. Oh, this is a thick foundation. Okay, it doesn't have a smell to it, but this is how much I'm going to use so far on my face. So I'm just applying that on right now, as you guys can see. Ooh. I'm just gonna blend that in. feels smooth. I like this way this feels. I feel like this is a foundation where you really do not need to use a lot because it's quite thick. This is definitely a full coverage foundation. Wow. I was like, I remember messaging Jennie asking her what shade she used, because whatever Jennie's using, I'll normally tend to use, even though she's a tad bit darker than me. On camera, it doesn't actually look that bad. So, but anyways, congratulations to Jackie. But I feel like it's amazing that a brand actually reached out to an influencer or beauty guru to help expand their shade range. So well done to Too Faced Cosmetics for actually giving someone the opportunity to do so. This concealer I'm using is definitely not from a collaboration, hence why I've not spoken about it, but it will definitely be good to see more brands do this. I do know a few brands from back in the day were really not trying to collaborate with beauty guru, and now they've seen that other brands have been collaborating with beauty guru. I'm going to set this with some under eye powder. This powder is an OG one. It's actually Ben Nye powder in Topaz. I had someone comment saying to me, oh my gosh, you're still using this powder when everyone's using Sasha. And I'm like, I'm not gonna fix something if it's not broken. I like using it. I'm not gonna just use a new product because everyone else is using the product. I'm glad everyone likes Sasha Buttercup or whatever it's called. I'm happy with using this. Okay, I'm not someone that just jumps on trends because they're popping. I'm not trying to fix something that isn't broken. And for me, I love this powder. To that person that wrote that stupid comment, grow up. And if you think I'm angry, I'm not angry. I'm just replying, you know. We are allowed to reply to you guys. You guys are allowed to give your opinions, and we're also allowed to reply. I don't know why there's this double standard where people feel, oh, you put yourself out there, so you're not allowed to reply to people. I'm allowed to reply to whoever. If you say something, I'm not always going to, but there's going to be sometimes I'm going to have an opinion as well, just like you did. Oh, I forgot to say, I met Jackie Aina last year. I went to meet and greet with Jennie, and one day we also had a few drinks afterwards, which was very nice. So for contour, I'm going to use Makeupshayla / Tarte Cosmetics collaboration, and this was what it was. It was a contour palette, and it's basically 2 contour colors, a highlight color, a blush color. I'm basically going to use this palette too. This was a collaboration with Makeupshayla, I believe in like 2016. Again, as usual, I always try and support people. I went to buy it. Well done to Makeupshayla. Makeupshayla is doing her damn thing. She's looking amazing. I actually met Makeupshayla when she came to the NYX event. I'm going to use this dark one to contour right now. By the way, to highlight on my nose. Next, I'm going to use a finishing powder. So for blush, I'm going to use this blush, which is in Makeupshayla's palette. It's actually a very pale pinky color, so it doesn't show up much on my skin, I'm not gonna lie, but I really have to build up on it. It's like a little flush of pink. I prefer more deeper toned blushes, so it shows up ever so slightly onto my skin tone. Highlight my face. So next, I'm going to highlight with Jennie Jenkins / Backup. Jennie is one of my friends, as I mentioned already, and she did this collaboration with Blackup, which looks like this. Hopefully you guys can see. And I'm going to use this color right here. This is the second palette. I love this highlight palette so much. Super pigmented. Oh, can you see that highlight? Can you see that glow? Taking this pinkish color which we used earlier, I am going to use that in the bottom lash line. I'm going to obviously use a liner. Now, I am actually using the Fly Liner by Fenty Beauty. This Fly Liner is amazing. So for my bottom lash line, I'm going to use this black. So next is mascara. So by the way, this mascara is the Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline. And I remember this Makeupshayla and I believe Mannymua were the faces of this mascara, so it's fair to say this is a collaboration as well. Mannymua is also another amazing makeup artist. Yeah, congrats to both of them. So next product I'm going to use for lashes are by Patronnes Cosmetics, and these are in the style Empress. Patronnes Cosmetics currently are owned by Adiola and Shola. Congratulations to those lovely ladies. I did a collaboration with them back in the day, also with Debbie at the time, was Debbie, Shola and Adiola. Make sure you go and check them all out. Lovely ladies, all individually. I'm just trying to make sure these lashes are stuck on properly. These are definitely dramatic compared to what I normally go out for. Add my beauty mark hidden by my foundation. I must say I really do like this foundation. It feels very nice on. So the next product which I'm going to use is a collaboration between Patricia Bright and MAC Cosmetics. MAC Cosmetics was definitely one of the first brands that I ever delved into regarding makeup. But I just want to say a big congratulations to Patricia Bright. I've been watching Patricia Bright from when she was a Britpop princess way back in the day, where she had a lot of challenges to do with her natural hair. Anyways, congratulations to Patricia. She's definitely someone that's doing her thing in the makeup world scene. So yeah, I did go out and get this. It's definitely more of a dark brown color. So yeah, it's just like a perfect brown. So this is what Patricia Bright's MAC lipstick looks like on the lips. I feel like this is definitely giving me a very autumn look. Oh, okay. So this is the end of this video, guys. It's a full face using beauty gurus / makeup brands they've collaborated with. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Hopefully there'll be more of these videos in the near future. Thank you guys for watching this video. Congratulations to all the ladies and guys I mentioned in this video, and hopefully I shall speak to you guys very soon. Thanks for watching, guys.